Hi beauty babes, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for coming back. If this is your very first time checking me out, welcome. My name is Yusra and I would love if you go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down there and be part of the beauty squad. And don't forget to hit that bell notification so you can be notified every single time that I upload.
All of my friends are paid. I get that pay from VA. I tell my hajja I'm flossy, yeah. I get some bad, ship it overseas. I'm in Dubai, I don't need a visa.
So I've been getting a lot of questions on how I apply lashes, and I just wanted to show you guys how I apply lashes. There's honestly a bunch of different ways, but this is just what works for me. And it's something that takes a lot of practice. Like I went from taking at least 5 minutes to do just one eye, and it was just getting so irritating, where now it's honestly just a breeze for me to apply my lashes. It takes 2.5 seconds. So I kind of just wanted to bring you guys this video on what I use and how I apply them. Okay, so let's get started. First thing, you're gonna need a pair of lashes, and as you guys know, I have my own lash line. So if you guys want to shop my lashes, then go ahead and check out the description box, or I'll also leave it somewhere on the screen. But the lashes that I'll be wearing today are bee lashes in the style Yasha, and this is just what they look like. A few different things. Some people use tools to apply their lashes, like there's these kind of tweezers, which are just like the standard looking tweezers, and then there's also these tweezers that are made specifically for the lashes. These to me are a lot better because you put the whole lash here and it's just easier to control than these. I use tweezers, but honestly I really don't. 95% of the time I just use my hands. I feel like they give me the most precise application, so I want to show you guys how I do that. So to start off, since we're talking about lashes and how to apply them, I hear all types of different glues to try. I honestly have tried like the duo glue. I've tried the Huda Beauty, I believe, and I've tried a few other ones, and like the Ardell ones, I don't really like them. My favorite is the House of Lashes. I really love this, and you could get it for I believe $9 at Sephora. So honestly I stock up on these because they just like run out, and I use the white one because it goes on clear. So the first thing I want to do is take my lashes out of the case and apply the glue. And then you just want to give it a few minutes for the glue to get really a little bit tacky. You don't want to apply your lashes while your glue is super wet, because then it just gets everywhere and it just becomes a mess. You want to give it a few minutes just for it to get a little bit tacky, because then it adheres to your lashes. So I just like to take my lashes, and like I said, honestly just like a minute or so. And then what you want to do is you want to look down but not close your eyes. And then just kind of place your lash at first. Just place it, and then you can kind of move it around to get it exactly the way you want. So I just like to put my mirror, like I'm using my big mirror. You can use a handheld mirror if you want. I just like to take my big mirror and then look down and then kind of put the front. And then I just use my nails to kind of like push it down. And then I use my index finger and my thumb to push my actual lashes and the falsies together. And just like that, you have your lashes on. This is a preference for me. Whenever I do wear false lashes, I do like to put an eyeliner on the top just to hide that lash line. And then I just like to take my mascara and kind of blend up. And I'm not putting mascara on the falsies, I'm actually just applying it to my actual lashes. It's really simple, and like I said, you can use the tools if you like. Try it out with tweezers, but I just feel like my hands make the best application. Also, because I do have acrylics on and really long nails, it's a lot easier for me to kind of like adjust and hold on to the lashes. And that's it for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you guys, for those of you guys that do wear lashes, if you like using an applicator better, or if you like using your hands, down in the comment section. I will catch you guys in the next one.